Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. What a shock. Shibarium is being released today by the CEO of Shiba Inu coin. News about Shibas today. Large wallet users on the Ethereum network want to buy a lot of Shiba Inus. Overnight, the 130th biggest Ethereum whale bought 272 billion Shiba Inu coins. Analysts still think the altcoin will go up in value. We're going to talk about shocking in this video. Today is the launch of Shibarium by the CEO of Shiba Inu coin. News about Shibas today. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel to see our newest videos. Let's start the video right away. The 130th biggest whale on the Ethereum network has taken in 272 billion Shiba Inus, which is $3 million. Usually, big buyers have bought Shiba Inu before the meme coin goes up a lot in value. Well, stats shows that Galleon has just gained an amazing 272 million SHIB in 2 different transactions in the last 24 hours. The trader did 2 deals more than 8 hours ago, adding 100 billion Shiba Inu and 172 billion in the second. The most it cost to buy something was $0.109. A lot of big wallet investors on the Ethereum blockchain have sold Shiba Inu basic attention token. This is a common blockchain-based way for marketers, publishers, and content users to trade large amounts of content. Shiba Inu is now the coin that Ethereum whales with a lot of money trade in the most. Even though these are all positive signs and Shibarium, a layer 2 scaling answer, is about to be released, Shiba Inu's price is still falling. It looks like the joke coin hasn't been able to get better. It lost almost 4% overnight. FX Street analysts, on the other hand, are still optimistic about Shiba Inus. Tony Montpirou, a top technical expert at FX Street, thinks that Shiba Inu's price will likely rise to its all-time high in September, which was $0.1401. This means that the price of a Shiba Inu would go up by 20%. If the rise is shown to be false, Shiba Inu could fall to $0.800, and bears would take control of the asset that could kill Dogecoin. This price is 30% less than what it is now. Shiba Inu is now worth $0.1123, up 1% in the last 24 hours. This small increase is related to a similar trend in the cryptocurrency market, where prices have slightly recovered after what some might call excessive negativity earlier in the week. The price of SHIB has gone up by 3% in the last week, while the price of the altcoin has gone down by 8%. But because SHIB's technical signs show that it's been oversold and undervalued, its move this morning could very well be the start of a new rally. Compared to other important coins, SHIB has gone up in value over the last year. CoinGecko says that they saw a 60% rise. When compared to its all-time high of $0.8616 in October 2021, it's now down 87%, which is about the same as other big cryptocurrencies following similar drops. The signs for SHIB show that its recent downswing is about to turn into a turnaround. Its relative strength indicator has gone up from almost 30 to just over 45, which shows that it is picking up speed. In the same way, its 30-day moving average is getting close to its 200-day average, and a turn could mean a rise. Looking at how SHIB has been acting over the last week, it has had a few big surges, even though the market is currently down. For example, it saw a 58% rise in early February, with the news of its own metaverse being the main reason. Also, between the middle and end of March, it went up by 25%. In August, it went up by 64%, going from $0.1032 to $0.1695 in just a few days. Its price right now, $0.1123, is close to what it was in July and August, when it went up a lot. There is, in fact, a support level for the market at $100. In other words, even if the market doesn't turn around and get better in the short run, there is a chance that the SHIB will rally. When it comes to the long term, SHIB is one of the best meme tokens to ride out a long-term rally once mood turns more strongly positive. While Shiba Inu is excited about its metaverse, it is also working on its own virtual car trading game, Shiba Eternity. This game will help spread SHIB and grow its environment. After coming out in Australia, the team behind Shiba Eternity has said that the game will be available all over the world on October 6th. It's possible that SHIB will rise until this date as interest in the start grows. The start of the Shibarium Layer 2 network is another exciting event that is coming up for Shiba Inu. This network will make Shiba Inu more scalable and lower transaction fees. Again, this start should help Shiba Inu get more users, along with its metaverse and the Shiba Eternity game. There is a cryptocurrency called Bone that is based on memes. Shiba Inu has been added to the well-known cryptocurrency market CoinEx, giving its more than 3 million users access to the token. An announcement said that the Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency trading site released its pair for Bone, which lets users trade it against Tether, the most popular stablecoin. Note that Bone is the control token of Shiba Swap, the decentralized exchange run by the Shiba Inu community. It is one of 3 tokens that make up the Shiba Inu ecosystem, the other 2 being Shib and Leash. It is possible for users to lend money to the platform through the Dig feature and bet their tokens through the Berry feature. Users can also get Wolf returns through the app, which gives them access to tokens that can't be traded for cash. In May of this year, CoinEx listed Floki Inu, a competing coin that was based on memes. At the time, Floki was listed on several other trade platforms, such as Huobi Global, which made the token more accessible to a wider range of people. On the other hand, Bone doesn't mention any major cryptocurrency exchanges, because you can't find it on Binance or Coinbase. Most cryptocurrency selling takes place on decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, ShibaSwap, and SushiSwap, according to the data that is available. A few smaller centralized exchanges, such as BKEX, Bitmart, XK, and LBank, offer it. In the past few weeks, the Shiba Inu group has had a lot of success. That's why the rate at which SHIB tokens are being burned went up earlier this week, during a time when Ethereum whales joined the cause and helped burn tokens. When Shiba Inu tokens are sent to dead wallets, which are Ethereum wallets that no one can access, they're burned. This means that the tokens are taken out of circulation forever and can't be recovered. To cut down on the meme-inspired number of floating tokens and make them more valuable if demand stays the same or goes up, the Shib army has long supported token burns. The Shiba Inu Society burned 410 trillion tokens at the end of last year. Notably, the average amount of time that people on the Nasdaq-listed cryptocurrency market Coinbase keep the meme-based cryptocurrency Shiba Inu before selling it or moving it to a different address has now gone over 6 months. 190 days is now the average hold time for Shiba Inu investors on the site. This is longer than the average hold time for other cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu owners are probably keeping their money safe. Even after the founder of the project left, the community and developers kept going, and soon there were new popular options available. Shibarium is a layer 2 blockchain that Shib coins could be moved to for lower transaction fees. Another is Shib the Metaverse, a Shiba Inu-themed metaverse where people have already started buying land. Also, developers are working on Shiba Eternity, a trade card game that people are very excited about. For the first time, people could see how the game was played after Kusama announced that the Shiba Inu team had just done so through a Twitter Space event. The official date that the Shiba Inu collectible card game will be released all over the world. The statement says that Shiba Eternity will start on October 1. The Shiba Inu community will celebrate the release as Download Day, which will crash both the Android and iOS app stores at the same time. Because of this, there was a lot of